Tesla is the company of the future, and the best all-around car they offer is the Tesla Model 3. What initially surprised me the most about the Model 3 was the cost. Contrary to popular belief, the new Tesla Model 3 is cheaper to own over time than the Toyota Camry. The Camry is known as an average car, while Teslas are known as luxurious, but the Tesla is cheaper. In addition, charging is very inexpensive. Many workplaces and commercial destinations provide free electric car charging to customers or employees. Also, electricity costs about 13 cents a kilowatt, where the average gas price over the last 10 years is a little bit over $3 a gallon. Next, maintenance is not a problem to worry about. Because Tesla electric cars have many less moving parts than a normal internal combustion engine, the maintenance costs will be much less as well. Additionally, electric car owners do not have to get oil changes or replace filters like gas car owners do. Now you should be starting to see why the Tesla is more cost efficient. The technology in and around the Tesla is what pushes many people to make the decision to buy it. You cannot find the technological features found in a Tesla Model 3 in any other car that is around the same price point. One of the cool technological features is the 15-inch touchscreen. It gives the passengers access to everything in the car, all in one place. There is no hassle looking around for buttons all over the car because they are all in one place. This powerful touchscreen gives the car a futuristic look and feel. Tesla goes above and beyond in all categories. They added a library of games that can be played on the screen while the car is stopped. You can even use the steering wheel to control your kart in certain games like Mario Kart. This picture shows the Smart Summon feature, which is available with Autopilot Enhanced. This allows the owner to click a button on their phone, and the car will back out of its parking space and drive itself over to the owner's location. This amazing feature separates Tesla from the rest. This picture may look very frightening, but this is one of the tests that the Tesla Model 3 aced on the way to win a top safety rating from the IIHS. Many other cars would have impeded into the driver's area with this collision, but the Tesla does not. Here is yet another category that the Model 3 is at the top of. Also, the Model 3 has automated emergency braking standard on all models, which allows the car to detect any objects or cars in front of it and apply the brakes without any driver input. Elon Musk is the face of Tesla. From smoking weed on a live talk show to endorsing Kanye West in the 2020 presidential race, he has had his fair share of media attention. Much of this attention is from a negative light, but it all has made his company more popular. Despite his questionable actions, he is no doubt a genius who is setting the bar for the future of technology and cars. During the unveiling of Tesla's new Cybertruck, Elon wanted to prove the strength of the windows by throwing a steel ball at the window. The window ended up shattering, making Elon and Tesla look unprepared. However, this gave Tesla and the new Cybertruck tons of media attention, and a lot of times, any media attention is good. Since Tesla does not buy TV commercials, this let a lot of people find out about the new car. Maybe Elon planned for the window to crack to get the media's attention. To me, the most impressive attributes about the Tesla are the acceleration and the self-driving capabilities. How the car looks is one thing, but the performance is most impressive. When riding in a Tesla, it feels like a spaceship because of the combination of the futuristic feel and the fast acceleration. Tesla started making cars relatively recently, and from the beginning they were at the top of the acceleration category. The fastest Model 3 goes from 0 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds. This is a very fun perk to have. Imagine sitting in the car for hours on a road trip without touching the wheel or the pedals. That is what the full self-driving feature does. This allows the car to do pretty much everything for you, without the driver having to touch the wheel. Of course, the driver must still stay attentive and navigate in irregular situations. But driver input is not needed most of the time with this feature. That is such a cool feature to have in the car. The environmental effects that Tesla cars have is something that gas cars will never have. Since the start of Tesla, over 550,000 cars have been purchased, resulting in a combined savings of over 4 million metric tons of CO2. The government offers subsidies for people who purchase electric cars. Tesla makes amazing cars for a great price, and their products are more environmentally friendly than gas cars. The more you learn about Tesla, the more you want to buy one. Visit Tesla.com today and have your brand new Tesla shipped to your house.